Hi everyone, it's Maria from TUTOROU. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you level up your vocabulary in a way it hasn't been done before. Do you know how we all love saying the word very? Like, it's very cold outside, or I'm very tired, or it's very big. Well, these new words I'm going to give you will help you sound so much smarter, smoother, and way more expressive in English. So stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm going to provide you with a whole list of vocabulary that will help you improve your English so much and make you sound like the most interesting person in the room. Moreover, I'm going to give you for each one of these new words a sentence so you will clearly see how the new words are being used. And a little bonus for you, if it happens to have an English exam coming soon, like speaking or writing using these new words instead of very, I guarantee you will significantly improve your score. So let's go. Let's level up your vocabulary. Right, the first word is very afraid. Say terrified. I was terrified during the horror movie. Very angry. Furious. She was furious when she saw the mess in the house. Very bad. Awful. The food tasted awful, so I didn't finish it. Very beautiful. Stunning. She looked stunning in that red dress. Very big. Massive. That's a massive slice of pizza. Very boring. Dull. The lecture was so dull, I almost fell asleep. Very bright. Dazzling. The lights on the stage were dazzling. Very busy. Swamped. I'm swamped with work this week. Very calm. Serene. The lake was serene in the early morning. Very clean. Spotless. The room is spotless. How do you do it? Very cold. Freezing. It's freezing outside. Don't forget your scarf. Very colorful. Vibrant. Her painting was vibrant. It just looks amazing. Very crowded. Packed. The concert was packed with fans. Very dangerous. Perilous. They took a perilous journey through the mountains. Very dark. Pitch black. The room was pitch black without the lights on. Very easy. Effortless. He made the dance look effortless. Very fast. Rapid. The car moved at a rapid speed. Very funny. Hilarious. The comedian was hilarious last night. I couldn't stop laughing. Very good. Excellent. You did an excellent job on your homework. Very happy. Overjoyed. I was overjoyed when I got the job offer. Very hard. Arduous. Training for the marathon was arduous, but worth it. Very hot. Scorching. It's scorching outside today. Don't forget the sunscreen. Very hungry. Starving. I'm starving. Let's go and eat out. Very important. Crucial. It's crucial that you arrive on time for the meeting. Very interesting. Fascinating. The documentary was fascinating. Very loud. Deafening. The music at the club was deafening. Very old. Ancient. This is an ancient castle built centuries ago. Very pretty. Gorgeous. Your dress is gorgeous. Where did you get it? Very scary. Chilling. Her story was chilling. I got goosebumps. Very often. Frequently. I frequently visit my grandma on weekends. And there you have it, 30 ways to stop using very and sound more fabulous and interesting. Which word was your favorite? Drop it in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and please share it with your friends and family that learn English. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.